Starting the Wirele-X system is simple and easy. Start the display by pressing the on-off button for several seconds. After a short logo presentation, the home screen is displayed, and you'll see the following: Apex locator unit Bluetooth connection status icon, base unit battery level, home button, volume selection, display brightness adjustment, display background color selection, a digital file of the user manual, demo mode function to demonstrate the Wirele-X activity to your patient, and the settings menu to set your preferred device configuration. The setting function cannot be accessed during the measurement process. Let's look at the settings menu. Wi-Fi for turning on and off the Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi is required for future updates. Bluetooth is on by default to facilitate communication between the Apex locator and the display unit. There's no need to pair them. The virtual Apex allows predetermination of a position at the required distance from the Apex. User manual. Select the user manual language. Time setting. Select your time zone and set the time. Change interface. The Wirele-X display interface may be selected from different graphical options. To select your preferences, select Settings, select the Change Interface tab, and select your preferred graphical presentation. Updates. When the wireless display is connected to Wi-Fi, the device checks automatically for available updates. When the software updates are available, the update symbol will appear on the screen with a number of available updates. Turn on your small Apex locator by pressing the On/Off button. The blinking blue LED around the On/Off button indicates the device is on. It's paired with the display unit by default. You'll notice this on the Apex locator battery status indication presented on the display unit. Now plug the measurement cable into the device receptacle and attach the lip clip to the patient's lip. Gently insert the endodontic file into the root canal and connect the file clip to the file. To ensure precise measurements, the file size should be adjusted to the canal diameter.